Welcome to another video, camper van maintenance. I noticed when I was doing some routine work underneath the van that where I had the new exhaust system fitted, the back box where it attaches to the tailpipe, where the clip that holds it together, the joint, I've noticed there's a bit of a crack and a bit of corrosion in the old tailpipe. But if I go back about an inch on the tailpipe, it's actually a good piece of metal still. So rather than replace the whole thing, I thought I'd try and bridge it, because that's all it really needs. So I've gone for this tie, and that is one that will just be bolted together, and basically it slides over the two joining pieces of pipe, and then obviously clamped. Bit of sealant, exhaust gum in between as well. So I'm basically chuck the van up, and I'm going to get underneath and take that tailpipe off. We'll have a look and see how far we are with it. So look in there, you can see there the soot showing you that the exhaust gases are getting out there, and just under there I can feel there's a split where it's just broken away, but obviously here it's really good metal. So we'll take this off, take this away from the exhaust, because that's brand new. So I mean, it's only like 5 months old, something like that. So that's fine. Take that away, take this pipe off, and then I intend to basically just go back about an inch and just cut it all back so it's back to the good metal. Fa-ting. There we go. So there, if we see there you can see this piece has just come away really. So I think we'll get in there and just work this back now. I'll take the exhaust off its rubber. Okay, took it down from the exhaust rubber. Just a little bit of moving and twisting. There you go. That's it. She's away. Okay, have a look at that now. Despite it being dirty, it's solid. That's the main thing. So I will give that a nice clean, and set about cutting the other piece now. See there, look. So I'm going to take this back to here. That's where the good metal is. I need to just clamp that. can see looking at that metal now, that's really good metal, and for the sake of that it's just not worth replacing the exhaust, the complete system, when the whole of it's good. So let's give that a little clean, and then we'll loosen this off and get this open so that it just goes on to it. So I haven't put the gum on yet, but obviously just offer it up for a little, there we go, and that's what she's going to be like there, and then the clamp will go back on there and I'll nip that right up. But that's going to be a nice bridge there, so I'll get the gum, put that on, get this over the top of it. So put the gum round it, nice and liberal, so probably won't be using this tube again. And then that, just, there we go, I'm just going to twist it into it there. So that's forming a nice seal and making a grand old mess down there. Little check, see how far? Yeah, a little bit more, there we go. There we go. One manky mess. There we go. Okay, first things first, just offer it up. That's going to slide straight on, look. So what I'm going to do is just take it away now and put some of that exhaust paste on, so I know that that is definitely going to fit fine. Okay, offer this up now. That slides straight on nicely. Just want to get this rubber, there we are, on. I'll spray that with a little bit of WD just so it slides on. So now we've got the, I opted for some longer bolts actually because I wasn't happy with the others. There we are, that's better. Spring washer, stick that on. And there we go, right. Just these, because these are lockers, look, they'll grip onto them. There we go. And same with that one. There we go. I'll just nip that with a socket now. There we go. That's it. Nip onto that. There we go. That's it. That'll make sure that that's solid now. And there we go. That is another job jobbed. Exhaust, nice new piece here, that's all gone with the rotten stuff cut away, some paste in there just to create a bit of a seal, and obviously these clamps tightened right up now, really squeezing that pipe onto it, creating that strength in that joint there. And that's it, job done, happy days. I might just fire it up now just to give her a little go, to see how it fares. Nice and quiet, no noise from that exhaust now. Happy days. Right, thanks for tuning in.